Hey everyone, Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. The District Lofts, circa 1929, this luxury boutique building was completely rebuilt in 2013, offering only 44 unique units. Located at the foot of the Dundas Peak, just steps to the Bruce Trail, Webster's Falls, the Dundas Valley Golf and Curling Club, and the historic Dundas downtown core with a vibrant mix of restaurants and shops. Unit 215 is one of the two largest units, offering a rare opportunity for the discerning buyer. There's an oversized double garage and this private entrance exclusive only to the unit, so it will feel like a home without the exterior maintenance. Welcome to 397 King Street West. Enjoy the pure grandeur of this loft-style condominium. The spectacular open living space filled with natural light offers a 17-foot ceiling, highlighted by a dramatic restoration hardware chandelier and breathtaking views of the Dundas Peak. This stunning gourmet kitchen has been custom designed with extended height cabinetry. There are top-of-the-line appliances, quartz counters, 2 sinks, and this large island with seating for 6. The unit offers 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 spa-like baths with high-end upgraded fixtures. There are 2 private balconies accessed from the main and upper level, a full-size laundry area, plenty of closet storage with custom built-ins, and fantastic upgrades, including trim and millwork, Swarovski crystal handles, motorized window blinds, and the building offers state-of-the-art in-floor radiant heating. This unit also has a brand new air conditioning system. Lifestyle amenities at the District Lofts include a fitness studio. There is a large locker exclusive to the unit and this rooftop terrace. An amazing space for barbecuing or entertaining your family and friends, or just relaxing and enjoying the tranquil sounds of the waterfall. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.